In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Chrome menu. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Chrome icon on your desktop, taskbar, or applications list, depending on the device you're using. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. This is where you'll find the main menu button. The button you're looking for appears as three small dots lined up vertically. Sometimes people call this the three-dot menu, and it's the central place for many of Chrome's built-in options and tools. Go ahead and click on those three dots once. As soon as you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Inside this menu, you'll see several useful sections that help you manage and control your browsing experience. For example, you can click on History if you want to review websites you've visited recently. This is especially helpful if you need to return to a page you opened earlier but forgot to save. You may also see Downloads, which takes you to a list of files you've downloaded through Chrome. If you recently saved a document, image, or installer and can't remember where it went, this section can help you find it quickly. Another important option is Extensions. This is where you can view and manage browser add-ons that expand Chrome's functionality. If you use tools for productivity, ad blocking, or writing assistance, this is where you can check them. You'll also find Settings, which is one of the most commonly used areas in the Chrome menu. In Settings, you can customize how Chrome works, including appearance, privacy options, startup behavior, and more. If you ever need to adjust the browser to better match your preferences, this is the place to go. Beyond these options, the Chrome menu includes additional tools and features, so feel free to explore carefully. Taking a moment to look through the menu can help you become more comfortable with the browser and discover shortcuts or controls that may save you time later. And that's all it takes to open the Chrome menu and start using the options inside it. Once you know where the three dots are, accessing Chrome's main features becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.